let's take a little closer look at Course Planner. You'll notice that it's separated into 4 columns, indicating grades 9 through 12. In the blue boxes, we have classes that are core requirements and must be taken in your specific grade level. And then underneath that, we have purple boxes for year-independent requirements. This means these are courses that you have to take at some point, but it doesn't necessarily have to be a specific grade that you need them. And then underneath there, in the year that you're enrolling for, there will be another option to add alternates. So let's start with our first core requirement, English 9. To select my class, I just click into the box and it brings me up my options, English 9 or English 9 Honors. I'm going to choose English 9 for this sample plan. And now I can progress to choosing my next class in one of 2 ways. If I click Done, it will take me back to the 4-year plan format. So now I can click back into Math 9 again. And here I have my options, Pre-Algebra, Algebra 1, Geometry, and Algebra 2. Selecting your math class is important, so we strongly recommend that you utilize the feedback your current math teachers have given you. For my sample, I'm going to choose Algebra 1, which is probably where most of our students start. And now instead of clicking Done, I'm going to select the Science 9 arrow to move forward to my next requirement. Now it brings up my science options, Freshman General Science or Honors Earth-Space Science. I'm going to select Freshman General and arrow forward. Next, I have Physical Education. PE is a requirement for high school graduation, so everyone will take PE concepts. The course is broken up, there's the bell. The course is broken up into half health and half activity. So once I get to my elective options, this is where you have so much freedom and fun. So one of the best things about being a Mays High School student is the number of opportunities that you have. You can take classes that you are interested in, classes that you just want to try to see if it's something you might want to do for a future career. You can utilize these extra blocks to try to really progress through a specific area like science or math. But to choose your electives, you've got 2 options. You can either scroll through this big long list of electives that is sorted alphabetically. I don't recommend that, it's too much. Or click into the search box and then choose a discipline or just type what you're interested in. So if there's a class you know you want to take, like I like cooking, so I want to take the culinary classes. If I start typing culinary in the search box, Culinary Essentials pops up. So I click into this and now I can see the description of the class, the grade level that it's open to, how many credits it's worth, which we know translates into how long the class is. Since this is a half credit class, it will last for 9 weeks, or what we call a term. And then looking ahead, once I've taken Culinary Essentials, I see other classes I can take in the future because it's the prerequisite to be able to take those. So I'm going to click Culinary Essentials and add it to my plan. So backing out now, I can see up here underneath grade 9, I have 4.5 credits in my plan. I need to get to 8, exactly 8. So I can add more electives or scroll down here and start choosing some classes that help meet those other requirements. So for example, social studies. If I click in here, it lists the options that are available to freshmen. Perhaps I'll take current events. It's another half credit class. Now I look back up top and it shows under grade 9, I'm up to 5 credits. So again, 8's your target, exactly 8. Then underneath, we have our alternates. Alternates are so important. Basically, we want to give you all of the classes you choose the first time, but sometimes The schedule just doesn't fit quite right, and we need to have another option for whatever class doesn't fit. So you should only put classes under your alternates that you actually want to take. Don't be lazy and just throw something in there because you very well may end up taking it. Another thing you can do is consider classes you might want to take in the future. And if those are available to you in that grade level, you can work ahead in your plan and still be making progress towards your graduation. Once you think you're ready to submit, you can click the blue button at the very bottom. But if you do this too soon, Xello will give you a warning. It says you're not really ready to submit yet for two reasons. First, I haven't selected enough alternate classes, and then next, I haven't filled my 8 credits or 8 periods. Okay, Xello, we got it. Let's try again.